Thank you for visiting the CoinSeries channel again. They are associated with XRP. The price has remained stable despite some major statements made by Uphold, a long-standing liquidity source. In this video, that Ripple accompanies all of it. Yes, I think it is time to start. As I mentioned before, the most recent disclosures made by XRP are very captivating. Actually, that big news came from the SEC today, and we'll break it all down in this video. We recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel as the first step in keeping up with the latest and greatest news in the cryptocurrency business, particularly XRP. While that is being said, the judge has directed Ripple to hand over the settlement money to the SEC. Everyone knows that the SEC pushed for this. In addition, it is a major issue, to a certain degree. Critics say it's not comprehensive enough since it gives the SEC access to XRP sales records just during the time the SEC is suing them, claiming that their security was compromised. That is a major issue, though. To end a long-running demand from the SEC, the court has ordered Ripple Labs to produce financial documents spanning years. Court documents. Of course, I don't think they will find what they desire, because they are clinging to all they can. In my opinion, we could have triumphed over it. Similarly, Ripple wouldn't be a strong suit in the event of an error. In my view, everything would have turned out okay. At long last, the official judicial filing is here. There, Sarah Nutborn can be discerned. The U.S. magistrate judge is currently requesting an order that would, after giving the SEC the benefit of the doubt and ultimately quitting, Ripple Labs must submit financial accounts for 2022 and 2023 together with post-complaint contracts in order to answer inquiries on the amount of money it earned from institutional sales of XRP following the filing of the complaint. All things considered, ECFs 9 through 5 address all of their needs and wants. Finally, the pause is ended. The next item will be the proceeds from the institutional sale. As a last point, the SEC's petition is explicitly granted on lines 2 and 3. Auditor Sarah Nutborn is effectively caving in to the SEC's demands, as the court clerk has respectfully requested to conclude the motion at ECF numbers 9 through 5. However, what does it mean in particular? We are mostly concerned about that. The only financial data that ultimately led to the sale of XRP will be viewable to them. Who knows if the $1.3 billion lawsuit against Ellen will actually amount to anything, given that XRP is a type of unregistered security. Considering what we covered yesterday, here are a few key dates. Watch my video on April 16th, and the verdict in the case will be announced on April 24th. In my opinion, only time will tell how this turns out. As previously stated, this is basically the SEC acting. They don't have much else to do. And the Coinbase case will also mark a significant turning point. In addition, the SEC's potential defeat in that lawsuit would greatly affect the XRP case. CTF Coin and my partnership has just reached a new level of success. Exciting new partnerships and some interesting news show our unwavering commitment to expansion and supporting creative endeavors. We've only scratched the surface of them. Now, CTF Token has been productively collaborating with XR and LM, and our partnership within the blockchain community is flourishing. Complete backing of efforts to improve innovation is something that Fullest Crypto Trading Fund remains dedicated to providing. The CCF token may be obtained by sending a direct message to their account. To keep up with their activities, you can find a link to trade XRPL on their website in the description. Oh, and if you're thinking about putting your money into XRPL, you might want to stop by CTF and see one of the biggest projects launching the token. It was too much for me to resist, and I apologize. Crypto token platform. As I mentioned before, learning about crypto trading and blockchain-powered passive income is definitely worth your time, so be sure to check out the links in the description. Finally, the holding. I have some details regarding that incredible announcement that I would like to share with those of you who have invested in XRP. This is perhaps the first big result of Ripple's partnership with Uphold, which we now know was for many reasons, one of which being their liquidity. They have an intriguing, hold on to XRP unit right there. As per NFT's claims, these one-of-a-kind NFTs were created in collaboration with Xpunk, and they will be available to those who successfully input their XRP wallet address. This partnership brings together the principles of maintain and XRP, which is of essential importance. The XRPL might benefit substantially from Uphold's huge liquidity and reputation for activity. Keep in mind that the primary emphasis is on financial regulation. Everything is centered on those financial institutions as they prepare for the 2024 bull run, which is the most important thing. Considering this situation, as it has done for some time, the price is currently trading around the 50-cent level, with lower support at 45 and higher resistance at 56. While the market as a whole did experience some losses today, our trend line indicates that XRP must first surpass its 50-day exponential moving average before we can declare its victory. I would contend that the price is truly rising and rather stable in light of today's news, even though the SEC won the SEC caucus in the near run. There is a lot of optimism regarding the present situation of XRP. On the other hand, I don't think anyone is really worried about the paper's outcomes. The price is still pretty much the same, and that sun is the only one. That wraps up our daily analysis. On the shorter time frame, we can still observe a little decline, but it's definitely lower than the 200-day exponential moving average. The 50-day trend is likewise quite small. I tested the 50. This divergence is probably going to happen soon. Ideally, we'd see a break above MACD, which is now holding quite short. We could go in any direction, but that's not good tier 2. I know that's what many of you are thinking. If we do, in fact, see that positive MACD cross, then perhaps prices will rise in tandem with the market's mood. However, until then, all we can do is wait. After XRP, what are your plans? Leave a comment with your opinion. I've already said that I think this legal battle and the accompanying thorough cleaning of these documents will stop any big leaks. But once it happens, I expect XRP to surge significantly. Leave me a comment and let me know. Has my explanation been entirely accurate? Is the reliability of the papers obtained by the SEC anything that worries you? Constantly provide this information in the description. We won't only be stopping by CTF Talk, we'll also be down there. Well, that's the end of the video. I would be truly grateful if you could subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Goodbye for now.